In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 335 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 3. It is less than 5, so we will consider the number 33. We know that 5 times 6 is 30. Subtract, we get 3. Now this 3 is less than 5. That is why we need to bring down this number 5 here. Again we know that 5 times 7 is 35. Subtract, we get 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 335 divided by 5 is equal to 67. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.